Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Murlitulam. Now, today's topic, let us discuss about Azure Kubernetes Cluster Release Tracker, different updates, how to track those changes. So this is the Kubernetes cluster. Just see, this is the Kubernetes cluster, just see, Azure Kubernetes cluster. And you can see this version also. So this is the version. Let me open this Kubernetes cluster. So as of now, here we created with 1.32.7. So this is the version, here we onboarded. And also within this Kubernetes cluster, let us see all these updates also. Right? So here we used 2 nodes and we didn't onboard any workloads here. Okay. Now let us try to focus how to track changes because so many release versions are releasing. So just go back to Kubernetes portal. So here you can see versions. These are all different versions. They keep on releasing new versions. Okay, how to track these changes and each version. So what are all included in these versions? So we need to have some idea, right? For that, let us observe the scenarios also. So there is an option called AKS Release Status. So here you can see regional status. Region-wise, we can observe the changes also. West Central US, right? Currently in operation, and last three versions. Just try to open one of the version here. Just see. So this is the one. It is redirected to GitHub, and you can see release notes. You can see that. So whatever changes they happen, AKS Kubernetes version 1.31 standard support will be depreciated. Right? So here they mention comments here. And also just mention features also, whatever features included, and also whatever bug fixes, right? And also behavioral changes and component updates. These are all, you can see that. Okay. So they're all release notes, you can see. Okay. And also just go back to this window and just go down and you can see these are all different versions. You can see region-wise changes, you can see that. Suppose if you are trying to place your Kubernetes cluster in the specific region, just go to this release status tracker, then observe these changes. And also one more is release order by region or by version. First, let us see by region, right? So by region, this is the version, you can see that, okay? And also these are all versions. You can see finished, progress, as well as these are all things you can see that. Also just go to version also. Version-wise also you can see these changes. So these are all regions in progress and they're all regions already completed, okay? And also just see other scenarios like, suppose if you are trying to track roadmap, entire roadmap related to Azure Kubernetes cluster, how to track this roadmap, right? For that, there is a detailed roadmap. Let us see that. Just go to projects. Just go back to this portal. Just see, let me go back. And here you can see, let me go back. So just go to AKS repository, github.com/Azure AKS. Under project section is in, just click projects. So here you can understand roadmap, Azure Kubernetes Service roadmap. Just click this option. So here we can understand whatever changes they are doing, right? So these are all node status and these are all backlog items, future related changes. And also these are all planned changes, okay? In progress changes and also public preview as well as generally available. So in this way, we can understand whatever changes they are going to implement, right? And also you can see archive GA older than 1 month and retirement and so on, right? So in this way, you can see this status also. Just click one of the backlog or any other item. Just click one of the item. You can understand whatever things are happening. Okay. So here you can see that you can observe this entire thread as well. So whatever changes are happening, you can see that. Okay. So in this way, we can track all our changes. Whatever Kubernetes changes are happening, just use release tracker. So region-wise, you can observe the changes. And also by region as well as by version, you can observe these changes. Also observe this roadmap also. This is a roadmap, you can see that. Okay. Also, if you are facing any issue, so within your project, just try to raise an issue here. Just start raise an issue here. Also, suppose if you are trying to learn Kubernetes, just go through these issues so that we can understand So whatever things are happening related to Kubernetes or other customers, whatever issues they are facing, so we can understand that. So please see the documentation below. If you like this video, please share it and see you in the next video.